Hi everyone, it's Miss Natalie, and today for Craft with Nat, I'm going to be showing you how to make a little Valentine's Day card. So for this craft, you're going to need some paper. So I used a red piece of paper for my card, but your card can be whatever color you want it to be. And then I used some pink paper to make a little heart. You'll also need some string or some ribbon and some tape. If you're doing this at home and you didn't get one of our kits, the paper will already have the hole in it if you pick up a kit. But if you're doing it at home, you might need some scissors to cut out a heart and to cut out the circle in your card. You'll also need some tape to tape your card together, to tape the heart and the string together. And of course you'll need some stuff to decorate it with, like colored pencils, markers, crowns. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make this. So you'll start with your piece of paper, whatever color you want your card to be. And then if you're doing this at home, you'll go ahead and cut out a circle to put the little heart in. And then you'll just take your card and you'll open it up. And if you're, like I said, doing this at home, you might need to cut out a little heart. And you'll place that in the circle where you want it to be. And then you'll take some string or some ribbon and you'll tape that all together so it'll kind of be like this. You'll see the little heart in the middle. So I'm just taping my heart here to the string, and I kind of want it to be in the middle. And then I'm taping the string to my card. And you can always clean it up a little bit if you don't want to see the string too much in the card. You can always shorten it a little bit so you don't see all of this. Alright. But it's not too complicated. Now I've got my heart in my card, and now I can decorate it however I want, so I might write something on there. So on this card I wrote Happy Valentine's Day. You can always write a sweet little note inside, or you can draw some hearts on there. You can put whatever you want on it. Alright, now you've got a little Valentine's Day card. I hope this wasn't too complicated, and I hope it was fun. Thanks guys.